Good morning. My name is Michael White. I'm with Vision 33, and today we're going to take a look at Beas, which is an SAP Business One extension for companies that need more than the base manufacturing which comes with SAP Business One out of the box. So Beas is an add-on that can be applied to a SQL deployment of Business One, a HANA deployment, cloud, on-premise. It really doesn't matter. It's a very versatile solution and ideal for companies that need to extend their manufacturing capabilities or have somewhat complex manufacturing. So to get started, I'm logged into Business One, and just a little bit about Business One in general is that this is a multi-company system. And so you can add new companies on the fly. Within a company, you could have multiple branches, unlimited warehouses. Where I'm at here is my home cockpit, where I can see, I've got some activities scheduled today. I've got an on-site survey, an engineering approval, customer approval, other things I need to do. These alerts are your first level of a workflow inside of Business One. And so, for example, off to the far right here, I've got days in production for some of my items. This is a great example. If I've got an item that is in WIP longer than it should be, I can get an alert. The other things that'll show up here is approval processes. So if you want an approval for an AP invoice or a purchase order, a sales order, a quote, all of those can be set up for approvals as well. I won't get into a whole lot of the navigation in this demonstration. We're really going to focus on the Beas solution. So off to the left here, I can slide in my main menu. Now this looks just the same. This looks identical to whether, any Business One system out of the box. But when I open up the production module, you can see that there's been a lot more capabilities that are showing up here, and that's because of the Beas extension. So the best way to see Beas in action is let's see it in action. So to start out, we're going to jump in here, and I'm going to bring up a quote. So I entered this quote in preparation for today's demonstration. And here's an example of a quote where I have two items on it. This first item here is a make to stock item. So if I were to right mouse click, the options that you see in this list are purely are centered around a make to stock philosophy. Now this item here, the second item, MTO, this is a make to order item. And if I right mouse click on this item, then I'm going to have even more capabilities that are very unique to a make to order environment. One of those is a